down to 38 cents, and the machine told her to put some more money in. That ain't right. Don't play this crapless craps. It's just going to confuse you. I don't even want to tell you how, why. It takes too much time. Just trust me, don't play it. You know, the Keno rooms just don't seem to do well, even though there's not many of them left. Seems like they should just go ahead and shut them down. They've got them on the machines. See, there's Keno right there. I mean, yeah, I think I would do away with this. It's a lot of space. You could put like a wiener schnitzel right here. Sell some dogs. She's doing good. They will serve you Model in the bottle here at your machine. And here's the cash machines. They got two places. This area and then one on the other side of the casino. colonizers. A lot of good action in California. Definitely, if you're downtown, come to California. Now you might, if you're white, you might be the only colonizer in here. But people are very friendly. Nobody has ever given me a problem in here, even though I'm a colonizer. $1.3 million progressive. Now I have walked up on big winnings. That's what's the name of that person? I don't ever want to hurt you. Golly, I'm not good with pop culture. What happened to that guy? I have to put his name on the video later because I can't think of it. Carmen the Million. Come and go. That guy. Yeah, that's him right there in the hat. Yeah. Come. Yeah, that's what it is. I sang that perfectly. You should know. Somebody tell me who it is. I'm not going to look it up. I don't have the internet. They said they're going to bring it to my village. They said that last year, but they haven't. Yeah, this place is doing, just well enough, Just well enough. You don't want it so crowded you can't move. Just well enough. Oh boy, I got to tell you a story right now. I was in here with Lizzo, and she couldn't go up those escalators because they're very narrow. So I left her down here, and I went over to Main Street Station, and I forgot about her. So now I heard that she has lost a bunch of weight, and she could easily fit up there. Now, all of a sudden, she don't answer my calls. Her answer machines just said, new phone, who dis? I guess Ozempic got her. Those people taking that Ozempic got their, get real cocky after they get that Ozempic. Oh, she loved me when she was fat. Now she don't want nothing to do with me. She can get JJ Walker now. He also was taking Ozempic before they even invented it. It's a cash room right here. Coin room. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the sports book. I did when I was trying to think of that guy's name. Come. Golly, if I had the internet, I could figure it out. It's not George Michael. Damn it, man! I can't think of it. This is live TV. This is, a lot of pressure. Yeah, this is Friday night. This is the place to come and gamble. You don't feel so packed in like you do in a lot of the places tonight. You're just skinny little. I'm gonna have to squeeze in here. Okay, here's where they put all the machines that come up here to die. But then they got these really modern ones up here too. So if you like video poker, Keno, double bonus poker, this is the way to go. And then you got your partner could be playing the modern machines right here while you're playing this old-fashioned stuff, if that's what you want to do. What are they going to do? Play some music right there? What is this? I got to get out of here. I don't like those loud sounds. Okay, we're gonna go to Main Street Station. That'll be on the next video. Let's start over.